Dear students, in the last class we solved word problems. Today we will continue word problems. Let's solve. Rosie had 54 lakh rupees with her. She purchased a car for rupees 12,50,990. How much money was left with her? Here we have to find out how much money was left with Rosie. Let's see the solution. Rosie had money with her is equal to rupees 54 lakh. Rosie purchased a car for rupees is equal to 12,50,990. Here we have to find out how much money was left with Rosie. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 12,50,990 from 54 lakh. So first we have to create solution box. So first I will take 54 lakh 0 0 0 0 0 4 5. Next I will take 12,50,990. So 0 9 9 0 5 2 1. Now I will start subtraction from ones place. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 9 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 0. So we can't borrow. So we go for a next number. Here next number also 0. So we can't borrow. So we go for a next number. Here next number also 0. So we can't borrow. So we go for a next number. Here next number is 4. If we borrow from 4, then 4 becomes 3 and here 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and here 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and here 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is how much? 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is 41,49,010. Therefore, money left with her is equal to 41,49,010 rupees. Let's solve. Next one. 5 years ago, the population of a town was 41,37,108. Now the population is 60,48,991. Find the increase in population during the last 5 years. Here we have to find the increase in population during the last 5 years. Let's see the solution. 5 years ago, the population of a town is equal to 41,37,108. Present population of a town is equal to 60,48,991. Here what we have to do? We have to subtract 41,37,108 from 60,48,991. So first we have to create solution box. So first I will take 60,48,991. 1 9 9 8 4 0 6. Next I will take 41,37,108. 8 0 1 7 3 1 4. Now I will start subtraction from ones place. 1 minus 8 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 9. If you borrow from 9, then 9 becomes 8 and here 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is how much? 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 minus 0 is how much? 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 1 is how much? 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 0 minus 1 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 6. If we borrow from 6, then 6 becomes 5 and here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is how much? 10 minus 1 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is 19,11,883. Therefore, the increase in population during the last 5 years is equal to 19,11,883. Let's solve next one. Out of population of 3,48,311 of a town, 1,25,387 are women and 95,384 are children. Find the number of men in the town. Here we have to find the number of men in the town. Let's see the solution. Total population of a town is equal to 3,48,311. Number of women in the town is equal to 1,25,387. Number of children in the town is equal to 95,384. Here two steps are possible. So first we have to add number of women in the town and number of children in the town. So we have to add 1,25,387 and 95,384. So first we have to arrange these numbers in columns. Whenever you arrange these numbers, you must write the numbers from its ones place. So first I will take 1,25,387. So 7, 8, 3, 5, 2, 1. Next I will take 95,384. So 4, 8, 3, 5, 9. Now I will start addition from ones place. 7 plus 4 is how much? 7 plus 4 is 11. So I will write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 8 is how much? 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8, 17. So I will write 7 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is how much? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 5 is how much? 5 plus 5 is 10. So I will write 0 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is how much? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2,20,771. In second step, we have to subtract 2,20,771 from 3,48,311. So first I will take 3,48,311. 1, 1, 3, 8, 4, 3. Next I will take 2,20,771. 1, 7, 7, 0, 2, 2. Now I will start subtraction from ones place. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 7 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 3. If we borrow from 3, then 3 becomes 2 and here 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is how much? 11 minus 7 is 4. 2 minus 7 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So, what we have to do? We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 8. If we borrow from 8, then 8 becomes 7 and here 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is how much? 12 minus 7 is 5. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 1,27,540. Therefore, number of man in the town is equal to 1,27,540. Today's homework: practice 23, 24, 25 one time in your rough book.